Mine sounded like a static kind of as well. I now call it bacon frying in a pan, like a sizzling sound. But honestly, it doesn't matter what it sounds like. You could have multiple tones. You could have tones that come and go, that change in frequency or in loudness. Relief is possible. You can get your brain to habituate to the sound. So please, if you're struggling, reach out to a tinnitus specialist near you, see the link in my bio, begin implementing these strategies, and you will get relief. There is a way to get the brain to rewire. It just takes a little bit of time and patience, but you can do it. I've done it. I've helped lots of patients do it. It is possible. You don't have to suffer. Get some help. All right. Bye, friends.